Hey Queens, I hope you had a great holiday. I'm back with another unboxing. This is my final for 2025, so let's get into it. Hey, Andrea, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit the red bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But this one's not going to be long at all. First, I want to say I hope everybody had a great holiday, whether or not you celebrate. I hope these past few days were filled with a lot of good food, drink, family, and friends. I know that it was for me. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. I really expected this to be my first of 2026, but it came earlier than I thought it would. So we're doing the unboxing probably about a week before I thought I would be doing it. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So I haven't taken it out of the box yet. And it's wrapped really well. So after you take it out of the box, you see it's wrapped in plastic. So I'm going to undo this. And then this is the dust bag. So in case you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, this piece is from Quince. And this is my first time ordering anything from them. And this dust bag is nice, but it's kind of thin. It feels like linen or really rough cotton. But let me see if I take the actual piece out, if you can get a better idea of the thickness of this dust bag. It's a nice dust bag and it feels sturdy, but it's not soft or thick, if that makes sense. But it's a drawstring. And I'm just doing this in case you all have never ordered anything from them and we're wondering how the stuff came packaged. Not like there aren't other videos out here. Because actually, I got this after watching AKB Bags. She did an unboxing for this months ago, and I have been wanting it ever since. But this particular color was sold out when I went back for it. And then when it came back in stock, I still kind of held off on it. But I decided to go ahead and order it last week, and surprisingly, it's already here. So I'm getting all of this paper off, or at least most of it, so I can show you what I got. So I basically got this color is called Merlot, and this is the Patchwork Crossbody, I think is what they call this. What does it say? So it doesn't say on this tag. But let me get all of this wrapping off of here. It says it on the box. You may have seen it when I was up, but it is the Italian leather Patchwork Crossbody bag in Merlot. And this is one size. This is the only size it comes in. This has silver hardware. So let me all of this stuff off of here, because she's not going back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Get y'all up close. So it's a pebble leather. Does have a back zipper. This doesn't feel like it would be big enough to fit my phone, but if it is, I'll put something up here so you can see. And then the main compartment is a magnetic closure. This is super nice. I like this. So it's two magnets, one on each side. Here is the crossbody strap. And there's a lot of stuffing in here. And once you get the stuffing out, it's not as structured. Feels really nice and soft and squishy. Like it might have a little slouch to it if you don't fill it up all the way. The inside is a fabric lining. You can see there's a leather patch that says Quince on the back wall, right in front of the zipper compartment. The hardware feels pretty good. The front wall has a large button pocket. I don't know if this compartment would fit my phone. I'll try this out too and post something up here in the video if it does. But those are the only compartments inside, and as y'all can see, the fabric is the same color as the bag, and the pockets are lined in leather. So even though they're fabric, they are leather lined. I will say though, even though the interior of this bag is Merlot, it's not exactly the same color. Like the interior is has more red in it. The leather has a little more brown, but it's a good enough match. It's not like spot on. Just see if y'all can see what I'm talking about. And then the bottom does have 4 feet. The stitching on this bag is the same color as the leather, as y'all can see. This top handle is not removable or adjustable. The shoulder strap is both. And it has It has 5 adjustments, and it's a 2-piece strap. So this will be good for long shoulder or crossbody wear, and it's a pretty decent width for the size of this bag. I don't see this like digging into my shoulder or getting uncomfortable, even if I put something heavy in there. This is really nice. There's no branding on the hardware. And the D-rings here that you attach the straps to move. So they are really flexible. They move up and down, which I think is really good. So it probably make the bag way more comfortable, and they're out of the way. Like you can kind of push them out of the way when you're not using them. The leather smells good. The leather smells really good. So this bag is $159, like all the time, no sale price or anything. That's just how much this costs. And I think it is a cute dupe for the Loewe puzzle bag. If you're not trying to spend puzzle bag money, it's not a cheap knockoff. Like I said, there's no branding anywhere on this bag, and this is made of real Italian leather, so it's pretty decent quality. So I think this right here is a really nice dupe, if you wanted to call it that. So that's all I have for you. Just wanted to come on here and show this to you real quick. Again, I hope you enjoy the rest of this holiday season. I'll be back in a few days with another video, but until then, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you're gonna get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.